Good morning, welcome back to the channel. Well, today we're going to film and photograph woodpeckers. Obviously I've had the great spotted woodpecker at my woodland pool, but I've been looking of trying to get the green woodpecker as well. So the good news is it's around and I've managed to get some footage. So it's an early start. The fields are a bit misty. Let's get into it. Well, I had to wait a while, but there it is. Absolutely fantastic. Well, I have to say it's been very busy this morning. I've had lots of visitors coming and going. Now it's the end of summer, obviously mating season's over. The green woodpecker becomes quite elusive. It's a solitary woodpecker really over the next few months. And along came the great spotted woodpecker. So I've had two in one day. It was like, whoa, I couldn't believe it. Excellent. One of my favourite made an appearance, the good old nightingale. Well, it seems this year that the great spotted woodpecker have had a good season. There's quite a lot of little ones about this year, more than I expected really, but so they've done really well. Well, grey woodpecker's back. Having a quick look. Both species are quite territorial, but obviously the green woodpecker gets the upper hand. So we decided to come back for a bit of a bath. I'm just so happy that I've put the reflection pool where I have. It's just the importance of having some water available for them to keep clean and have a drink when it's relatively hot. It's amazing really. And obviously it's just a photographic opportunity for me for the future. And over the last few months there's more things coming to visit and realising it's there. So let's see what autumn brings. So after an hour or so, the green woodpecker and the great spotted woodpecker were all coming in and out. Very interesting watching the behavioural habits of them. Really educational. Really a joy to watch. Quite comical really, having a bit of a head bash against the feeder. It's really to keep the great tits and the greenfinches around, but obviously with being warm up, they do quite like them, so helps all round. So that's it really for the woodpeckers. I'll put the stills on from what I got after the blue tits. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like button and the notification bell. And I'll see you next time. I had to slightly crop them to fit them on full screen.